Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you can see the ID of blocks on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and own on your Squarespace account. So guys, you can see we currently have only one website called tutorials, and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your website in the page by clicking the website right here in your dashboard. And now as you can see here guys, now this will open up our website in the page. So guys, if you want to find out how to see blocks, it's very easy, but you only need one thing. You want to go ahead and go find this add-on in the Chrome Web Store called Squarespace ID Finder. You want to go and find this add-on and then install it. It is a very quick install. All you have to do is click the blue install button and it will be brought to your Chrome automatically. So guys, you need this add-on to see your IDs. So guys, after you have your add-on, you'll be able to see it right here in your add-on extensions here in the upper right corner of Chrome. Go ahead and click on that, and here you will see this add-on called Squarespace ID Finder. So guys, what you want to do, all you want to do is go ahead and click on this add-on right here. And now guys, as you can see here, you can see the IDs of all the blocks that you have on your Squarespace website. If you want to hide the IDs of these blocks guys, just go again and click on that add-on again and it will hide them. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.